Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your account. Press on it. And here in the profile section, you should just press on the first option, which is personal details. And after you are in this new page, you can just look at the bottom of your screen and you will see there the delete my account option. Just press on it and press now delete my account. In order to do that, you have to also enter your password here and press continue. And the final step is to confirm your email address. So basically they will send you a message to your email or Gmail address, and with that confirmation you can just finish the deletion. Now I'm not going to just go there and do this. I'm just going to tell you that this is what you need to do, but it also clearly writes it here that you just have to check your email or Gmail address, and there is going to be the last step to delete your account. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.